Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Oculus Go. Yeah, Oculus Go I just purchased last week, and I cannot wait to share with you about the basic of Oculus Go. Basically, Facebook bought Oculus Go probably, I don't know, a few years ago. So if you use Oculus Go, it's so easy to integrate with Facebook, especially like if you want to record anything inside Oculus, you can link to your Facebook account and then kind of like use Facebook Live video, click the Facebook Live videos inside your Oculus headset, and then you can start recording whatever you see, whatever you do, anything, your interaction inside Oculus Go. So let's see like what's inside Oculus Go. So Oculus Go, basically it's the whole headset, and there's no phone required, so it's really cool, and it's only 249 for 64 gigabytes. Yeah, so it's pretty affordable. And then we can see there's one button. This is the turn on button, and this is on the volume button. And then I think the audio is here, so you can hear everything inside Oculus Go. When you wear it, the the sound will come from here, so you don't need extra headset for your sound. Yeah, and then it's really comfortable. All you need to do is to put this and then start it to put it inside here. Yeah, so that's the way you use it. You don't need you don't need this phone, right? So first screen you will see how to pair up with your controller, and then the controller you can see like there's a circle which you can kind of flip through, like a right, left. You can kind of like doing some gestures inside the your Oculus Go. And then the first button is called going back. So whatever you wanna going back, the last panel you can hit this button, and Oculus button is called home button. So whatever you wanna see, for example, like your home menu. So all you need to do is to click the Oculus button, and you will see the main menu, and you can start interact with it. And there's a trigger here, so you can aim stuff and whatever you wanna see inside Oculus Go, and you push this button, and it will kind of enable the the function inside the menu. So yeah, and then I suggest we download Oculus app. Okay, so Oculus app. Let me show you what's Oculus app. Go. Okay, so this is Oculus app. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh, uh-oh. Is that okay? So this is Oculus app. So you need to download the Oculus app, and then you go to the front page. Yeah, and then you go to settings, and then you link up your Facebook, so you can start pairing up your headset, your controller, and the most important thing is that actually you can pair up with your PS4 controller, which is really exciting. But according to my research, I need to do a lot of things inside PS4 to make it link up to other phones. So I mean, it's pretty excited that Oculus Go is integrating with some gamepad. Yeah. Yeah. And right now I am more like my show. I'm thinking about making some like a little bit introduction of VR, and like get our hands dirty and start diving into VR. stuff, either kind of like half tutorial, half experimental, and like some knowledge. For example, some books that I think is cool, because basically I'm still exploring. I'm still like learning some new coding, and the problem with VR design is because the SDK, the headset, and Unity plugin is keeping updating. So sometimes the version of, for example, like a few days ago, I kind of like tested out like a Google Cardboard, the via Google VR, but um, Unity has already incorporated the Google Cardboard, Google VR inside the native Unity. So basically, I don't need like the whole SDK needs is a little different from the current version of Unity. So right now, I think Google has already updated, which is good, but the thing is the tutorial out there is still old version. Everything is updating like really fast. So yeah, it takes time to uh, learn things. Yeah. So yeah, I wish in the future we can have a little bit of education, little bit of my current project, and a little bit of tutorial, so we can kind of like start moving and then start diving into VR and have some fun. Yeah. Okay. So I will the next clip of video. Well, I will show you like how I experience with Oculus Go. Yeah. So yeah, hope you like it. Thank you.
Hi everyone. It seems like I only can stream like 10 minutes, so I will go quickly about this Oculus Go. Okay, let's go. There, for the interface, you can use the controller and shoot each point, and it's pretty cool interface. So okay, so let's see. Navigate. You have home button, library, gallery, and search. People, you have your profile, events, sharing. You can record, live stream, and share your photos, notifications, settings. Yeah, there are some, and I think I don't know why there's some stuff that block, but you can see there are some different options here. Okay, let's see home. Okay. So there are different TVs, for example, like Oculus videos, Oculus TV, Samsung, VR videos and Facebook videos, and you can see some live shows and some 360 educational download or you're following from Facebook basically, and you have some games like a poker VR and 360, yeah, and or Jurassic Park, yeah, some pretty cool stuff. Yeah, we can choose one of them. Yeah, and some K-pops. Yeah, this one is, yeah, let's try this one. Yeah, free preview. Yeah, so basically, yeah, it's you can social in virtual reality. It's called, yeah, it's pretty weird. Everyone has his own avatar and inside this virtual space, and everyone can social and have fun together though. Yeah, you can do storytelling. Yeah, yeah, you can have events there, interactive games, holograms. Yeah, pen studios, dice golf. Yeah, sculpt together. Oh, yeah, love later. Watch. Yeah. So you can totally do the like a virtual reality social inside like a all space VR. Let's see what else. Okay, so I kind of like uh doing some different gestures and see what's next. Oh, I think this one is really cool. You can download Oculus app inside your iPhone, inside your smartphone, and yeah, and then started to create your albums and live stream some stuff. So yeah, and share with your friends. Yeah, so this is today's tutorials, and hope you like it. And yeah, because basically I'm inside this 360 environment, and sometimes, yeah, wow, this is San Francisco. Pretty cool. So yeah, so hope you enjoy it. And next time, right now I'm trying to build some cool stuff. So either I will show like some cool thinking, some cool books, or I will show like some cool, I don't know, some something related to VR. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.